Ebi bigambirwa manager w'ekitongole kya Hayes Recruitment Agency Atwine Arnold obu babiri bari ha mukoro gw'okutongoza ihuriro y'okujaguza emyaka 10 y'ekitongole eki kimazire kiri kutwara abantu aheru y'ihanga. Atwine ashoborere ngu abantu nyamwingi nibaruga omu byaro bakoresa za kampani ezitakwetegerezibwa ziri kuhendera zirire sente zaabo kandi babura kubahereza ebi barikwenda.
Kampani zindi aba Hayes twine emirimo kandi omwana yiza akandisa nitwe akatugira ati nyende umurimo gwo security guard nibwo murimo tukumutwaraho kandi omwana yiza akandisa nitwe akwenda kuzahira gukora ekiroto tureba ncyashikirira tugezeho kurwana munonga kurengwa abana bafune emirimo kandi abana ntibarewundora no bakwika kuri tugenda twakora tubatayira tureba yibari nibakora je nibabyama je nibasasura je so ko kuza kureba usanga Hayes nitwe bakisingire omukintu cy'kwetwa kutwara abantu aheru.
Kandi we Mariam Nwasima atire ngu batireho sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 50 ebirabe bindi ebyo kuhangurwa abantu abo abari kujaguza emyaka 10 yo buhereza.
Tumuntu wetebekanisa ku celebrating emyaka 10 omu service tutwala abantu aheru neza kubereho omukwa mushanju konkeri izoba twaba twinoho kibakweta press conference nenga okwetebekanisiza okutura celebrating emyaka 10
kandi bo bamwe mu bakozi abatwira heru y'ihanga basimira ekitongole eki ahabo kube cyamazima kandi ekikushikiriza ebikiri kuraganisa.
Nze nengira Hayes mu mwezi ogwokusatu nga gugwako 27 njoge isaka kati visa yange yafulumye era ndi mwetefutefu kadde konna nsitula so nandekagiza abantu wenna bali eyo mwesige Hayes eri kwala eri ku kituufu etwala bukiti kya muntu.
I came here in Hayes. Reason behind is that to go and look for opportunities of jobs. Generally, Hayes advertised that there are jobs and sincerely jobs are there. We came here, we met some of our colleagues who were going. So the reason behind for me to travel is to look for green pasture opportunities of jobs.
The first time I did my interviews, I went as a cleaner and I got my visa within a month. For this time around, I'm going back as a security guard and I'm here to assure you that I got my visa in 3 weeks. So that is Hayes.
Ekitongole eki kije kujaguza emyaka 10 y'obuhereza ebiro by'okwezi 25 mwezi gwa mushanju omwaka gwa 2026.